Hi kids, today's our subject English part 1 and today we are going to learn about our topic pattern and today's pattern is Lumpty pattern. Okay, so let's find out how to draw this pattern in 4 lines. Look at this U pattern U. This pattern is look like U. For that you have to draw half circle. आपको क्या करना है, जो डॉट दिए हैं उन डॉट्स को ज्वाइन करते हुए एक हाफ सर्कल यू शेप बनाना है और ऐसे ही इस शेप को ज्वाइन करते करते आपको इस पैटर्न को कंप्लीट करना है. You have to complete this pattern by joining the given dots. Okay, then we make the pattern of U. This is pattern U. So when you write in 4 lines, you have to cover all 4 lines for this pattern. Start from first line, then cover it the all 4 line and then complete it. You have to do this pattern in a proper way by joining the dots and complete this page. Moving to the next page, there is the same pattern is given. You have to complete that pattern and practice it. In this way we finished our today's topic pattern.